Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine and staying safe during this lockdown time. So, this is a very easy and yummy recipe, one of the easiest microwave recipes which I am going to show you. It is a great snack for all the kids during this lockdown time. I am taking here half kg of lady's finger which has been washed and dried. Now I am chopping them as shown into half if it is small, and if they are big you can chop them into quarter pieces. Chop all the bendis and keep aside. This is the quarter pieces what I am doing. If it is a little big one. Now all of them are done. They should be dried, not even a single drop of water should be there. Add 2 spoons of red chili powder or add according to your taste. I am adding here 1 full spoon of chickpea flour or besan. That should be heap full. Enough salt to taste. Three spoons of cooking oil. This is the only oil which goes into the vegetables. Mix them well. Masala should be coated over all the pieces properly. You should mix thoroughly. It's done. You may add chaat masala if you like. I'm not adding. Place in the microwave and set it for about 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix all the bendis upside down properly. This is very important step to make them baked evenly. And place it back and switch it on. Now after 10 minutes, it seemed to be like this. For munching in the sambar or as a side dish, this will be fine. But for kurkure bendi, we need to place it for another 10 minutes. Mix in between. They are almost done. Kurkure bendi is ready. You can hear the sound, how crunchy they are. It is a real time pass for all the kids during this lockdown. You can hear the crunch. They are really tasty. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye and meet you in the next video.